Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss something every parent yearns for: 8 peaceful nights sleep for their baby. Bringing a newborn into the world is an exhilarating experience, but it often comes with its share of sleepless nights for parents. Ensuring that your baby gets a good night's sleep is not only essential for their well-being, but also crucial for your peace of mind. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 3 effective ways to help your baby sleep soundly through the night. The importance of a good night's sleep for babies. Quality sleep plays a vital role in a baby's physical and cognitive development. Adequate sleep supports brain growth, enhances memory consolidation, and regulates mood and emotions. It also aids in strengthening the baby's immune system, making them less susceptible to illnesses. Understanding baby sleep cycles. Before delving into the methods, it's crucial to understand that a baby's sleep patterns are different from adults. Babies have shorter sleep cycles, approximately 45-60 minutes, and can wake up frequently during the night. It's perfectly normal, and parents should be prepared for these disruptions. Way 1. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine or creating a soothing environment. One effective way to help your baby sleep is by creating a calm and soothing sleep environment. Ensure the room is dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Soft lullabies or white noise machines can also help in creating a relaxing atmosphere. Feeding schedule and nighttime routine. Establishing a regular feeding schedule during the day can help reduce hunger-related night awakenings. Additionally, a consistent nighttime routine, such as a warm bath, gentle massage, and a bedtime story, can signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. Way 2. Ensuring proper sleep duration. Nap scheduling. Proper nap scheduling is essential to prevent overtiredness. Ensure that your baby gets the recommended number of naps for their age group. Avoid letting them nap too close to bedtime, as it can interfere with nighttime sleep. Ideal sleep duration for different age groups. Baby sleep needs change as they grow. Newborns require around 14-17 hours of sleep per day, which gradually reduces to 11-15 hours as they reach 6 months. Knowing your baby's age-specific sleep requirements can help you plan their sleep routine effectively. Way 3. Addressing sleep disruptions. Night wakings are a common occurrence, especially for infants. Reassure your baby with comforting words and a gentle touch. For older babies, it's essential to teach self-soothing techniques to help them fall back asleep independently. Teething and growth spurts. Teething and growth spurts can disrupt your baby's sleep patterns. Provide teething toys and offer extra comfort during these phases. Be patient, as these disruptions are temporary and part of your baby's development. Conclusion: helping your baby sleep better is a journey that requires patience and consistency. By establishing a calming bedtime routine, ensuring the right amount of sleep, and addressing sleep disruptions with care, you can help your baby enjoy restful nights and make parenting a more fulfilling experience. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Ababi Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.